Okay, so this example reads, how many hours would your device last if it was at 10%? Well, 10% of 100, so if you think about it, that's going to be 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 gives you 100. So that means I need to divide this into 10 parts. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to be a little bit difficult because I can't draw straight lines. So I'm going to go ahead and divide this into 10 parts. So that's 50. So I'm going to put just 50 there. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and count them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I got 10 parts. Okay, so this is 10%. So at 10%, that means I will need to divide this by 10. So 10 divided by 10 will give me, 20 divided by 10 will give me 2. So that means the device will last 2 hours if the battery is at 10%. Now remember, whenever we're multiplying or dividing by tens, hundreds, or thousands, you could do mental math. So when you're looking at dividing by 10, so if you want to get 10%, you basically are dividing by 10. So divide by 10 is the same as moving the decimal. Oops, nope, not that. Decimal one time to the left. So because you're dividing, you're moving to the left. So you're making the number smaller. So if it was at 20 and you're dividing it by 10, well, if I move the decimal's at the end. If I move it one time, that means my answer is 2. So all I did was move the decimal. So take away that 0 and you're done. So on your question, make sure you're putting 2 for the number of hours if your battery is at 10%. So write that down and then go to the next question. So whenever we're looking to doing 10% and we want to look for 40%, so we want to try 40%, and we're looking for that. So 40%. What I could do is, since 10% is 2 hours, I could go ahead and do 2 times 4, which gives me 8, because 10 times 4 will give me 40%. So 10% times 4 is 40%, so you're doing the same with the 2. Since 10% equals to 2, then we're trying to get 40%. We're multiplying both by 4 to get us our answer. So 40% will be 8 hours. So you could use 10% to find other percentages.